The royal family did not come from the hinterland of Siberia.
Your grandfather brought it together and
not just my grandfather and his grandfather and his great-great-grandfather. This is a family that has come and come back again 3 times. The kingdom of Saudi Arabia was established in Saudi Arabia, if you read the history of the country.
Well, I think you know I read it. But
that means that there is a connection between the people of the country and this family.
You know,
if the family did not serve a purpose for the Saudi citizen, they would be like any other family. They would disappear from the scene. But we are serving the people of Saudi Arabia, and that is why we remain. And the service that we are going to do now is the service of bringing reforms and modernization to Saudi Arabia. It is a family that has its ears in the ground, that works for the interest of the people, that has the judgment to know if a bad decision is made to go back and correct it, that will move with the people, for the people, and not in spite of the people. And the other aspect of that is the faith of the Saudi citizens in their religion, which will be the binding force that allows this great transformation to happen in the country and keep yet the social cohesion of the country together and the unity of the country together.
It's been a long day without you, my friend.
ارحل عداك اللوم واشهر وغادر، ما لك مكان إلا على عرش الأذكار. ارحل رحيل أبوك، ارحل رحيل أبوك للمجد ثاير، مكانك التاريخ يا بر والأبرار. ارحل على هامات الأيام طاير، في موكب الأفلاك بالعز سيار. ارحلوا للعدوان كسر الخواطر، شاف الوطن سجل لك المجد.